Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to rekey a shield security lock. The handset's a little bit different in that the cylinder is located inside right here. I'm going to be rekeying it to a different key, but here's my existing key. What we need to do is push the release tab in and remove the collar here. And where is it? Right there. There's the little button. Just going to push it in and lift it out. In theory, there we go. Now pull it right on out. Up and out. Okay, now inside here is our cylinder. But to get at it, what we need to do is take off the back deal with a flat blade knife. It's my serrated knife. There's my flat blade. And we need to get underneath here. There we go. And that'll allow us to lift this portion out. In theory. Slide it up and out, and now we can get at the whole cylinder. In theory. And there we go. Okay, so we'll remove this back little cap, and we'll want to make sure to reattach that once we're finished. It usually slides off a little easier than this one. This one was in there a little tighter, but that's good. Okay, so now everything else here is just like traditional, like most other locks. Just nice and easy. Push the keeper. Except these ones are a little tougher to get under the slot here. There it is. Okay, keeper. And the keeper didn't want to give at all. Now what we need is our follower tool. We want to make sure that the flat portion is in line to keep the top pins in, and then we'll be able to push the inner portion of the cylinder out. And there we go. And here's our top keys. And since this one has numbers on it, it follows from the back of the key to the front, so 5, 2, 4, 6, 4. I can actually recycle these pins. 5, 2, 4, 6, 4. Alright. And now I can change to my new key. Finding out the new key, you can use the legend for a quick set. It works for shields security. And with the legend, you just slide it until it no longer will slide anymore. It'll slide, like this one would be a 5. This one would be a 6. But anyway, I usually go from front to back, but the numbers on the back of the key actually go the other way. So, but it's up to you, as long as you know that you're doing it to line up your key with your cylinder, or to know what pins are going to go for your key. Okay. And you can always double check it right here on your key by seeing if everything's nice and flat. And you can see how this one is not, so that must be the wrong pin there. It's a nice easy way to be able to double check, because everything should line up nicely there in order for the key to be able to turn. Okay, so I got all my pins in there, and now I can push the follower back out, again making sure the top line is in line with the top pins in order to keep those in there. And we'll push the follower right back out. Rotate our key, make sure it's working, and then on this set it's got this extra little lip here that keeps the keeper kept. Alright, and so I'm turn it to the side and put the keeper in, and these for some reason are a lot tougher to squeeze down, so for these I usually wind up taking my pliers and just pushing it down that way. Okay, but now as we line it up, you can see that in general the keeper is underneath that lip, and I can even turn it a little bit more to make that line up better so that it's under there and it can't pop out. Okay. Now let's verify that our new key is working like it should, and it is. Now we need to add this cap on the back. Very important, because that makes it work with our inner handset. Here's our handle. Gonna line that up, press it down, and we've got our top deal. Okay, and then on this I rotate this to the left side. I like to keep the hole and everything lined up. Whoop. And press it down into place. Now these two slots, the top slot lines up with the top of the cylinder, so pretty straightforward. And if it won't go down all the way, every once in a while you might have to push the tab in. And then give it a little tap. There we go. And now I'm in all the way. Give the final test on the keys. Locked, unlocked. We're good to go. That's out of Rekey Shield security locks. Good to go. Lock set handle. Nice and easy. Good to go. Nice advantage. A little difference than some of the other handsets out there, because this way is universal, so you're always able, you know, to set it either way because of the way that the latch mechanism works. It's a square hole, so pretty cool. Good to go. That's out of Rekey Shield security locks.